Innovation is the cornerstone of success in America. In order to compete in the global marketplace, businesses and individuals are continuously striving to stay ahead of the game. I'm Terry Bradshaw. You know, from emerging technologies and financial strategies to the latest healthcare developments, you would be surprised by the many factors coming into play. Welcome to Today in America. Building a better future often means correcting the mistakes of the past. After years of neglect, the time has come to clean up our act. Let's learn what's being done to make a difference.
Back during World War II, the U.S. started recycling used oil when oil supplies became limited. At the time, the focus was based strictly on need, giving little, if any, thought about the environment. Today, oil recycling plays a major role in lessening America's carbon footprint and decreasing its dependency on foreign oil.
Used oil recycling prevents approximately 1.2 billion gallons from being disposed of into landfills, sewers, backyards, and storm drains, polluting and damaging the environment. For every gallon of used oil that is recycled or re-refined and burned as a fuel source or otherwise re-refined back to its original state as a lubricant product, backs out the need for crude and associated new refinery products.
According to the American Petroleum Institute, recycling keeps used motor oil from rivers, streams, or lakes. It also keeps oil out of our groundwater supplies, which can affect our drinking water. Companies like FCC Environmental are making a difference. At this Express Loop Experts location at Blue Harbor Point in Mandeville, Louisiana, Mandeville Express Lube collects approximately 36,000 gallons of used motor oil each year. As part of the company's green initiatives, its used oil is taken to the FCC Environmental plant in New Orleans to be recycled.
The used oil is brought in and returned to either a fuel oil or used as a base lubricant stock. Either way, the material is reclaimed and recycled. The technology is primarily effective because it keeps us in compliance with all the applicable regulations. It also assures that our products are safe for use.
As fuel oil manager, Terry Bradshaw oversees the process.
Used oil is brought into our facilities where it's manufactured with a variety of different applications. Once manufactured, it's equivalent to a number 4 or number 5 fuel, and then distributed to industrial burners, electric facilities, pulp and paper applications, as well as blenders.
Each year, FCC Environmental recycles over 90 million gallons of spent lubricants. The New Orleans plant alone is responsible for processing 800,000 gallons of used oil annually. It is one of the company's 16 processing facilities located along the Gulf and Atlantic coast. Todd Ford is VP of Operations for the Gulf Coast region.
All FCC facilities are fully permitted and set the industry standard for the recycling of oil and other industrial liquids. We operate a modern fleet of vacuum trailers, route oil trucks, semi-tankers, roll-off boxes, and other types of field services equipment.
From the latest in industry news to safety issues, employees receive ongoing training. While recycling oil is extremely important, FCC Environmental also provides a variety of other green services.
FCC Environmental provides a comprehensive range of environmental and industrial related services to our customers. Such things as antifreeze recycling, antifreeze new product sales, tank cleaning, sump cleaning, oil water separator cleanouts, marine work, and a variety of non-haz and haz related services to our customer base.
Providing environmentally safe and compliant services to over 40,000 commercial and industrial customers, the company is definitely making a difference. FCC reclaims over 2.5 million gallons per year of gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and aviation fuel. Collected more than 30 million used oil filters. Reclaimed over 1.5 million gallons of spent antifreeze per year. And recycled over 65 million gallons per year of water.